So we got done with the hike, and we're all wet. Like literally.
We're literally soaked.
It hailed on us. We're soaked. It's like we took a shower with all our clothes on. So, yeah. It was hailing. My backpack's all wet. It's crazy. That's all hail on the side of the road. So.
Well, it looks like they got the same weather over here as we did. That one crack that just run. Oh, we all. So every time I see lightning, I say, "Here it comes!" And then it was thunder, and we just jumped. Well, first they kind of caught us off guard.
So did you guys go to the meadow? Well, that's the funny part. We get to a sign and it's like, okay, so Virgin Meadow is like 2 miles in.
Yeah.
That was we thought or whatever. No, but there was a like a big mountain, so that's where we stopped and had like lunch, remember, like eat up, energy, and then so we're like hiking down, then all of a sudden Roger's like, I feel like a raindrop, so we should stop and put our rain jackets on and stuff like that. So we did, and then it was just like Armageddon. So like kind of started raining, like, oh, this is fun, and then like little tiny hail, right? I was like, okay, whatever. Then we're going, and it's getting bigger hail, and then all of a sudden lightning started happening, and I'm like, oh, I don't care about hail, I don't care about thunder. Lightning freaks me out up that high. So I was like, okay, we need to hustle, like we need to get out below the. Okay, what do you want? Is it in there? Yeah, it's in there.
We're back.
Back again. We survived.
Yeah.
Almost died.
Yep.
Hail, flowing rivers, treacherous rock.
I'll show you.
Like that, I was like, oh, how is this gonna be?
All the water.
But then with the flowing river, you just kind of like slowed down with it.
That is hail.
Well, we saw, like where it was probably an area where water would flow.
Oh yeah, you can totally see it. When you guys, we're so elusive normally. I don't
Look at that
understand.
famous queso. It was all her.
Famous queso.
Delish.
Don, you want some?
I'll just put a minute, babe. Try to dry my shoes.
Okay.
Look at all this.
Can you eat that?
Yeah, kind of.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. Okay.
Oh, that's a baby. Oh.
It's like, okay, fine.
Oh, then the other one's behind.
Oh yeah, we went there.
I don't even
Okay. Look at the little one. She's got 2 young ones, but different ages. Okay, there's gotta be a place down here.
It's raining.
6:30. It's 5 right now.
It says rain possible around 6:30, but it's 5:30.
Oh, do you want to bring your chair in? I think it's gonna get wet.
Hope that foil is good and waterproof. I left my phone charging.
Oh, underneath the foil? Oh my gosh, Roger.
Dude,
I think it's gonna stop.
Oh, look at your hat. Oh, leopard print.
$10.
Dad,
Yeah.
your charm's open.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, did John shut ours? What
Yeah.
about our boots?
Oh shit, our boots.
Our boots. You want me to get them?
I got it.
You want some helper?
R.I.P.
Well, everything
fire.
was just dry.
Then I think we're clear for
Say
the
hi.
rest of the night.
Henry, could you give me a
Are we?
That's what it looked like.
No?
You want a beer? I just closed the trunk.
Torch here in a minute.
And then it'll be
It
gone.
will, because that smoke catches fire. You blow down here, it goes up. The vortex effect.
Yep. I was telling John we should get one for Mom and Dad for the cabin.
Yeah.
Because they don't have fires anymore.
But they would never look at the
Who pooped the pants?
Sasquatch.
Sasquatch.
Sasquatch. AKA.
Steak.
You stink.
Stank. Stanky. Not a dance, a stanky leg or something.
Yep.
Ooh.
The stanky
Okay,
leg.
we're gonna
Sasquatch.
turn left.
Oh, your eye.
She drove right past the conservation
Eyes are
office.
very red.
Oh god.
Yeah, that was scary.
She
Your blanket on?
She kept it cool though.
And then
did
she was
good.
like,
Yeah, I thought I was gonna go into the ditch or something.
I'm like, easy.
I turned my blinker on before I stopped,
Exactly like that. Easy.
like some people don't do.
God, he was the worst teacher.
And you put that thing in
We made
top of
popcorn.
the skillet.
It's good.
You know what I mean?
So, Raj,
You gotta move it back and forth.
I know what I'm doing.
I think we can do it with what they have, what it comes with.
You gotta be able to,
You got real
gotta
hot.
be able to move it.
We should put lots of kernels.
This is the first
And
out
Jiffy
of
Pop.
2 more. We have 2 more
Yeah,
Jiffy
the
Pop.
rabbit one. It said those marks on the trees were elk, deer, and moose.
Oh,
They're the
scratchy?
mountains.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did you show him that picture?
Oh, not yet.
And it said the lower marks
Rocky
are,
Mountains.
or bowls or something they call them, but it's kind of weasel.
Oh,
Choose
like
where
a
to bottom.
smaller animal.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that makes sense. This
Almost
is.
aspen. On the aspen trees, they chew that up.
Where did we see that one? And that was on a pine tree.
Yeah, we were on a hike then.
This is. I don't know if you can see it,
Ah.
but they had like the claw
Oh yeah,
marks.
yes, definitely.
Yeah.
It's like going in the middle and it's over there. Mm-hmm. You didn't think it would survive, but
That's a scrubby looking tree.
yeah.
That's cool. There's Sasquatch and Squasquatch in the mountains. If you see them. And also, do you guys see that elephant?
Where?
It's in the trees hiding
see
because
it.
it's so good at hiding. What was the other thing we said?
John said it.
What did you say?
What did you say, John? What was the other one when we were coming to the panoramic? The bears?
The bears were
The moose is on the loose.
The moose is on the loose. Yeah. And then, what else?
What else?
I'm out.
Oh yeah, that's right. That.
And you gotta do the head shake when you're doing the bye. You gotta do that.
Oh yeah.
And then whenever somebody bends down to like sit down or something or grab something off the floor, you gotta do. Sasquatch in the mountains up there. See him? Yeah, he's up there, chilling.
Oh, I see him right there. Yeah, look at him.
So yeah.
Why do you have shoes on? You got some high top.
Why is he crop dusting us at the table?
Yeah.
You got high top Adidas.
Was that you?
No.
Sasquatch.
Sasquatch. It was Sasquatch. Oh, Bigfoot. We were talking about Bigfoot.
No, you said Sasquatch.
Nanook of the North.
Yeah. And then Bigfoot. Bigfoot lives among us. Everybody run. Why is there a car following us?
We're in a row of cars right now.
Wave.
Why me? Why me?
Why? Why? Ooh, beautiful. Okay, bye.
I think I should do one box of spaghetti.
I think so, baby.